I'm interested, what are the requirements? So there are only three requirements para makapag-secure ng unit sa mga condo na ino-offer namin. Una is valid ID. So sa mga Filipino buyers na naka-base dito sa Philippines, tinatanggap po namin yung any valid ID like driver's license, UMID, and passport. And for those clients na based sa abroad or sa mga expats or foreigners, ang tinatanggap po namin is valid na passport. Second requirements are the documents from our end na kailangan nyo pong i-fill out. Una na dyan is yung reservation agreement. Second is yung buyer's information sheet. And yung pangatlo is signature specimen. The third requirements is reservation fee. So yung reservation fee po natin is different yan per project. In 9 Central Park, yung reservation fee natin is 50,000 pesos. Sa Park McKinley West and Uptown Arts Residence is 60,000 pesos, while sa Uptown Modern is 70,000 pesos. So, isasend nyo po yung reservation fee directly sa mga account ni MegaWorld together with the acknowledgement of reservation fee. So, yun lang po yung mga requirements na kailangan natin para makapag-secure ng unit. I hope na nakatulong tong video na to. Yun lang po. Salamat!